Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we'll be replacing the glow plug module on the Jeep WK CRD 3-liter diesel. I already have my engine cover off. The glow plug module is here. Here's the new one made by Baru in Germany. Right here, part number, connectors. Here, just give you orientation of the engine. So it's got these two connectors right here, have to disconnect, and then these 4 bolts here. They're inverted Torx, but you can use an 8mm socket on it and it'll come right off. And also, don't forget, first thing is to disconnect the negative of your battery. This one has a nut underneath. Just make sure you hold the nut. The shorter one is the one that goes into the cylinder head. I'm just gonna need a shallow socket for this one. Let's see right there. Okay, bracket comes off. I'll just leave it connected to the hose for now. Module. Just gotta disconnect these connectors right here and right there. One thing to note on the big connector, that there's 2 tabs on both sides, so make sure you squeeze both of them. So here is the new glow plug module with the old one. Now we're just gonna do the reverse and plug her back in. And there's the new module all installed. That was very easy. Probably took 10 minutes at most. And as always guys, thanks for watching.